Hey everybody, I just got my next Hot Toys today. It is Princess Leia in the New Hope version. I got it for cheap off Amazon, so I couldn't say no to complete my set just a little bit more. Still trying to get Darth Vader, Stormtroopers, R2-D2 and C-3PO when they come out, and the Yoda. But so far with the ones that released, I only just need Leia, what I've just got now, Stormtrooper and a Vader, so I couldn't wait to get this. Let's open up. So here's the insert. There's really nice art on it. Shows her in many different poses. And definitely have to do that pose once I get R2-D2 eventually. There's the actual figure itself. Let's open her up and see what we've got. So here she is. Really good likeness of Carrie Fisher. All the costume. Classic white costume from New Hope. You get extra 2 wrist pegs. Extra hand. It's a gripping hand. That's the gun hand. Stormtrooper gun. Classic pistol. Decides to focus. A classic blaster. That's very cool to have something different than the normal blasters. And another hand, it's actually a trigger hand. Like I said, very good quality. Amazing likeness for her. I'm very happy also they did the hair in plastic and not with the normal hair like they do for Black Widow and Scarlet Witch and everything. It's very good. The likeness is really good. So I'll just cut away and have it all set up for you guys. If you wonder what that noise is, it's the little kitty who's playing with the box, of course. So there's my final pose. Very good figure. Absolutely love this one. Usually the females, I find they get a little bit wrong when it comes to Hot Toys. I don't know if it's because of their hair or they just don't take as much care sometimes in some women's faces, but I think this one is dead on. It'll be a great one in my collection. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Soon I should have my next video also of the double pack from Fight Club. And I'll go into detail of all the things comes with it. See you later. Bye.